today to be a homeowner can be extremely stressful given the volatility of income that people are seeing from time to time and the increasing costs of things like not only housing but also healthcare and education.
We started this business first and foremost to do the right thing for homeowners. Our mission is to make homeownership less stressful and more accessible.
We understand that life happens. We are here to help. We want to make life less stressful in owning a home, and we felt like there had to be a better way.
And so the origins of Hometap is really to try to help those American homeowners who find themselves where after years of paying down debt, years of benefiting from home price appreciation, doing everything right, still find themselves under the stress of debt. And so they've got this value in their home, but they can't touch it.
Oftentimes, homeowners are wondering if this is a smart way for them to fund the needs that they have. And it does require them to take a step back and realize that their home is their home, but it is also one of the largest assets that they have, if not the largest asset. And it does then require them to think a little bit differently about how to use that asset and the fact that they have options. And in fact, they can take an investor, not just a lender, into their family finances.
Some examples of goals are helping pay off debt, student loan debt, helping them pay off medical bills, fund an education, fund a retirement, renovations.
Some of them looking at very unique opportunities to invest in a small business. They have an opportunity to expand, but they don't have access to the capital to do it. And in other situations, people who have accumulated some credit card debt because they hit a bump in the road. And unfortunately, that debt is accumulating, not decreasing over time. And by working with Hometap, they can take care of that debt, and they're in a completely different place the next day.
If there's one thing to know about us, is that we are truly first and foremost about the homeowner. Everybody inside this company is focused on trying to do the right thing for the homeowner, and we always will be.